Yes, you're doing it wrong. And this is how to do it right. Congratulations! You've got a sonic screwdriver. It's an extremely useful device in just about every situation. You can assemble ninth-dimensionally unstable furniture, fight tyranny, and open the occasional food storage pod. However, it has come to the attention of the designers and manufacturers that some of you are using the device improperly. Yes, you're doing it wrong. This is the sonic screwdriver. It has the same basic hardware and software as every other sonic screwdriver. Your sonic screwdriver has been developed through the infinity of time and space by Time Lords. There are many popular standard casings as well as many user-designed models available. Its user interface and casing can be infinitely personalized. You can select or design your own casing to fit your specific needs and adapt the interface for tactile, psychic, audible, or voice command. If your sonic screwdriver is lost or destroyed, it will be recovered via Matrix Cloud and Retrieval System. It's never really gone. Don't worry, it'll be back. Really. Third-party apps are really pointless. The sonic screwdriver application library is infinite. Time Lord time travel technology allows for every infinite combination, useful or not, to have been developed. Because time travel. Seriously, there's literally an app for everything. Your screwdriver comes with Matrix Cloud access throughout time and space. You can download any app anywhere at any time. Sonic screwdrivers will not affect some organic materials. The screwdriver crystal is designed as a dual-mode emitter. It can switch from sonic mode to thermal mode. Warning, modding may damage or render the thermal crystal inoperable, or other hardware may be damaged. Or you can upgrade to the new Specs Aux 1 Sonic sunglasses. Control all of time and space with a direct psychic link to your TARDIS and create holographic avatars to fool your friends and enemies. Give your old sonic screwdriver to a friend in need.